Hi, this is Justin from the Rep Institute, and this video is going to show you all the unique installation benefits of using Avery Dennison MPI 1105 SuperCast series vinyl for vehicle wrapping. You're going to see that whether you're wrapping by yourself or with a team, one vehicle, or an entire fleet, using Avery Dennison MPI 1105 is easy, straightforward, and profitable.
When the liner is released from the Avery Dennison MPI 1105, at first glance, it can look like a standard grade adhesive. Yet, it has two technologies that make it stand out, and they are Easy Apply and RS technologies. Easy Apply minimizes bubbles during the installation, and RS technology allows it to be repositioned easily throughout the install. And here are several straightforward examples of the RS technology. See how the panel easily slides across the surface, and by applying pressure with a squeegee, the adhesive now touches the surface and is activated. And what's great about the MPI 1105 is it can be picked up again if need be and reapplied. Also, if it happens to fold on itself during install, the low initial tack of the RS allows it to be pulled apart easily and the install can continue. No need to reprint. And here's an example of the Easy Apply feature. If there's a bubble, it's simply pressed away. Now we get to an install, and by taking advantage of the Easy Apply RS technology of MPI 1105, the entire liner can be released even on large panels like on the side of this Mercedes. The panel can easily be picked up and repositioned, and once it's in the right spot, the film can then be conformed to the vehicle. And note that it has superior conformability at room temperature, and the ideal window is between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And what this means is, by not having to pick up the heat gun or propane torch, this means significantly lower install times. The film can easily be made wrinkle-free and then simply just squeegeed onto the surface. And here's a great example of a very complex area with curves and recessed areas. By using the Avery Dennison application glove at room temperature and no heat, it can be formed into the recessed area quite easily, and then, for the curve, simply spread out using the triangle technique. Super easy and high workflow. And note that MPI 1105 has superior memory, so when heat is added, it does relax evenly, and if there happens to be a wrinkle, by adding heat, it smooths out. And for very compound curves, heat can be added, and because Avery Dennison is a premium cast film, it has superior conformability even on giant compound curves like this. And once in position, it's simply squeegeed onto the surface, and it can also be formed into deep recessed areas. So by being able to handle recessed areas and compound curves, this allows installers to wrap with more full coverage without having to use inlays and overlays. This means higher overall quality and durability, which leads to happy customers. But don't be fooled by the low initial tack of the MPI 1105. The final adhesion, once the adhesive sets, is very strong. This means edges can be cut and sealed with confidence. Here, the material is being cut flush to the side of the hood after the film is relaxed. This means that the installers don't have to wrap too far under to get full hold. This again lowers install times. And note that a final step with Avery Dennison MPI 1105, once the install is done, is to post-heat certain areas that were stretched to or past 10%. Always use a heat gun to post-heat and an IR thermometer to ensure you're reaching the recommended temperature. And due to the wide variety of unique features of Avery Dennison MPI 1105, from the conformability of the premium cast film to the properties of the adhesive, from the Easy Apply and RS, it can be applied to a wide variety of vehicles, like food trucks, Jeeps and SUVs, trucks, semi-trailers and large fleets, and vans with and without recessed areas. And because of the very low install times, this means MPI 1105 is perfect for fleets. And for more information, to ask questions, or to find a distributor near you, you can go to this URL.